Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying the single message your launch video must deliver. Choose a 10-15 second hook and map the rest to a 60-90 second story. Once done, capture high-quality screen recordings and export your logo and icons as PNGs with transparent backgrounds. Make sure to draft a concise voiceover script and select music with license clearance. Then open your editor. Set a 16:9 timeline at 30 FPS and 1080p, and import all assets to start building the first sequence. You now assemble the narrative. Lead with the hook, show the problem, and reveal your app as the solution. Arrange clips with 0.5 to 1 second primary cuts and ease transitions for clarity. Use parallax or scale animations to imply depth. Sync the voiceover to on-screen actions and time UI highlights to key lines. Once synced, balance audio. Keep the voice at around -6 decibels and background music lower so the message stays clear. Export quick drafts for internal review to refine pacing and clarity. You finish by exporting a master H.264 1080p file at 8 to 12 Mbps and adding burned or separate captions for accessibility. Then create 15 and 30-second cutdowns optimized for different platforms and generate thumbnails that focus on the app benefit. If playback shows glitches, recheck codecs and project frame rate, re-render problematic segments or clear render cache. Make sure audio channels are routed correctly in the timeline. Finally, upload to distribution channels and monitor engagement metrics to iterate on future versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.